Hi traders, so in today's video I brought you the light of knowledge, actual honest knowledge and freedom. So this episode will be really powerful. So now, the thing is that in this video I will talk about how to start trading, and with, I just talk to so many traders and they have the most insane expectations about trading, and it is just so interesting to see. And in this video I will tell you in a very honest way what to expect when you start trading, because most people, let's face it, they will be losers. They will lose all their money in Forex trading and in trading in general. So in this video I will help you to have the right expectations, because I think most traders fail because of their false expectations. Because when they see that they can't be millionaires in 1 week or 1 month, they quit trading. But actually I think the worst case when they don't quit trading because they just put in money over and over again, and they lose and they lose and they will lose, because that's what they do, because that's where the false expectations lead you. So in this video I will talk about this topic. And before we start, I have one message for you, and it is just the key to trading. So read it really carefully. It is the key to be a better trader and to be better in life. So yeah, this is the message. It is a secret. So yeah, I hope you saw it really clearly, because this will be the basis of your life and of your freedom. So don't fuck it up. The first thing is, when you start to trade, most people, I don't know why, but they think that trading is a job that is really easy and you will make more money with it than with a regular job, where you have to, just sit a whole day, every day, and work for somebody, and it's just a misery. And I don't understand why people think that with 3 simple clicks they will just leave their their job and just be millionaires. Life doesn't work this way, my friends. Life is really not about 3 clicks and be a millionaire. If you want to be a successful person, just you read my message. It is the most important thing. But when you start a career, you start you want to be anything, an engineer, a developer, anything, you learn years. And you know that if you learn years, you will have a skill that will be valuable. And it is interesting to me that why people don't think that this is the same with trading. So I tell you the truth, it is the same with trading. Consider it, it is the first and it is the most important thing. Consider it like a university, like a real study. Like if you want to get a job, and therefore you have to learn and educate yourself. And the thing is that it can be years. It can be 1 or 2 or even 3 years or even more to actually get this skill, the skill of trading, the skills actually, because it is many things that you have to learn to be a successful trader. So don't be fucking lazy. Don't think that trading is just... If you think that trading is a game, then don't expect to make money every month from trading. You know, it is so obvious. But I know it's not your fault, because it is the whole, just the advertisements, the scammers will tell you that you will be a millionaire in 1 week, and these horrible lies. These are horrible lies, because these things will lead you to quit trading or just lose all your money and never achieve your goal. So consider it really seriously, to learn and educate yourself first. And just, I will put some websites in the description of this video where you can learn actual knowledge about forex trading and your emotions and these things, the skills that you will need in this journey. So yeah, read all of them and just learn and learn. I know most people just quit this YouTube video a long time ago, because they think that they are the fucking gods of trading, because they have been trading for one whole day, and therefore they are the best. But okay, you will see what I'm talking about. Yeah, the second thing is, and I have told you this in many videos, I think, don't trade demo accounts, because this is funny, because I see that traders who are, you know, the professionals on YouTube and anywhere, tells you that you have to trade on demo accounts, because it doesn't matter if you win or lose, and it doesn't matter. And the problem is exactly this: it doesn't matter. And therefore you don't learn anything, because it doesn't matter. We are humans, we learn from actual things. We can't learn from things that we don't care about. It is crazy, it is bullshit. And I think if you are a trader for some time, you know this, that demo account doesn't work, because you can be a demo trader for 2 years. You can know everything, but the first day when you start to trade live, you will lose all your money, basically. So don't trade with that, because your psychology won't be on the level as your knowledge, and therefore you will lose. So don't do that. And I don't know why every fucking trader on YouTube and on Facebook and in these groups tell you that you have to trade demo accounts, because no, it is better to trade with a small amount of money that is your money, that you are worked for, because then you will feel those emotions that you have to that you will have to learn if you want to be a successful trader. This is really important. Basically, the funny thing is that these are the two things that are the most important in trading, because if you learn all the knowledge and educate yourself about, you know, indicators, price action patterns, and everything that is and even fundamental analysis, everything that is just a key to trading and technical analysis. So it is funny, because people just, you know, waste so much time with things that are not important. These signals and these fucking things, they are not important. So if you, and I recommend it to you, even if you trade with an EA, to actually learn about the market and know stuff about the market, because this way you will have the needed emotional intelligence for trading, and this will be really important, believe me. So one more time, this is the message. Okay, this is the message I show you. Okay, this is the message. So one more tip, and this is related to the second one, and it is really important to just start trading now. So I would recommend that during the time you educate yourself, start trade with a really small amount of money, but not demo trading. So there are two separate things. Don't start to trade if you don't know anything with your all of your life savings and your money that you want to invest in the forex markets, but start to trade with a small amount of money that will give you the needed emotional skills to trading, and during that time you can learn everything about the market. So yeah, these are the advices that I can give you, and if you have any questions, just comment and I will answer to you. And yeah, this was today's video. I hope you liked this. I think this was a very important video for beginners. So yeah, ciao.